In this video, we'll walk through how to use the Hover Elements block. It lets you hover your mouse over a specific element, usually to trigger drop-down menus, tooltips, or reveal hidden content. Let's take X as an example to demonstrate how this block works. For instance, hovering over the avatar reveals user info. Alright, drag the hover element block into the canvas. Just set the target element right here. Click this small icon to open the Finder. Then pick the element you want to hover over from the page. Okay, let's run it and see. You can see it successfully triggered and showed the user info. This block offers two trigger modes. Script mode, it's lighter and faster, good for most cases. So we recommend using script mode first. If script mode doesn't work, you can try switching to debugger mode. Here's an example. This menu is triggered by the hover pseudo class. Script mode can't trigger it, but debugger mode can. Let's give it a try. The run finished, but the menu didn't show up. Alright, let's switch to debugger mode and see. Nice, the menu is now showing. You can also set it to press Ctrl or Shift while hovering. Most of the time, you don't need this, unless there's a special case. When this option is on, if the target element is off screen, it'll scroll the element into view first. Then simulate hovering over it. This better mimics how a real user would behave. Let's look at a real example. On Amazon's product detail page, if you want to extract the high-res image URL, you need to hover over the thumbnail first. So the high-res image loads and you can extract its URL. Now, let's see how to do that. First, extract all thumbnail elements and store them in a variable called items for later use. We found 7 thumbnails in total. Next, use the loop block to go through each one. Then inside the loop, hovering over each thumbnail. Once that's done, you can extract the high-res image URL from the page. Add a little delay first. Don't let it run too fast, so you can observe it clearly. Alright, let's run it again. Nice, it hovered over each thumbnail one by one. That's how you use the hover element block. It's often used to trigger drop-down menus, hover tips, image previews, and other interactions. This helps extract data from hidden content effectively, or lets you click menus. Thanks for watching. See you next time.